My name is Sophie Donelson. I live here in Jackson Heights, Queens, in this cool co-op building. I was most recently the editor-in-chief of House Beautiful magazine, and I've worked at Decor, at Martha Stewart. Walked into this home and it blew me away. It was light-filled and big, so big, at 1,200 square feet. It felt like, oh my God, what a dream apartment. I think it's a miracle that being a design editor didn't completely ruin me for creating my own home, to be honest. It's hard. I mean, I know what good design looks like. I know what exceptional design and architecture looks like. I think it frustrates me that I could spend all day and all night and every moment in between crafting a home that really represented who I am and worked for my family. But ultimately, you just have to do the best you can with what you have. So because this is a co-op building, you have to have 80% of your floors covered with rug or carpet. The way I did that in here was just buying 2 identical rugs from Rejuvenation and making them kiss. And I've got some great kind of gaffing tape stickum. A lot of people notice the palm tree when they visit. It's actually made of plaster and canvas. You can like bend the leaves. It's just bananas, and it reminds me of I love it, and I love that it feels like a canopy over the sofa. My sofa is custom, so that was a splurge, but I wanted something that had like kid-proof fabric, so it is Kravitz Smart Fabric. And then I have really fabulous pillows that I had custom made with some great, lovely Daydar fabric on the front, which is super fancy, and then beautiful Kravitz velvet on the back. In the bedroom, this is my version of serene, but it still includes a lot of color because I love color and I love mixing and matching these pillows. This is a headboard that I chose specifically because it is flat across the top. I can put over a textile, so I have this really beautiful brocade that's there right now, but I can swap it out seasonally and just change the look of my bedroom just like that. These are my beautiful Ann Sachs hand-painted tiles, and I love the idea of going up the tub. Here's hanging 2 curtains, which I will do forever. From here on out. I love this accent pink tile on Subway, and that's a great kind of hack to make something look really kind of custom and expensive and just cool. So there were 2 things that sold us on this apartment. One is this bonus room, which is like a guest room in the back of the apartment, and the second is this massive interior courtyard garden. These were developments, truly, that were built in the 19-teens and 1920s, and they were modeled off of an English idea called the garden apartment, and is a totally magical, quiet green space in the city. I think home should help you become the person that you want to be. I really do. And there's so many ways to do that with design and to have fun doing it, and without breaking all the conventions and making it such an upside down house. If you prioritize what means kind of love and success and happiness to you, design can fulfill it.